how to fix Starling app not working. So if the Starling Bank application isn't working for you, there could be various reasons behind this. So what you can do for this is you could first of all start with the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. If you're using VPN, proxy, or any sort of custom DNS settings, make sure to disable that as well. Once done, simply launch the Starling Bank application and see if that helps you. If not, let's say you're using the app on Android, you can long press the Starling Bank app icon, tap this I button in order to come to the app info page, and from here you can simply scroll down to storage and you can clear the cache files, and you can also choose to clear the data. Now once you've done all of that, you can simply go ahead and then open your Play Store or App Store, check if the Starling app has an update, and of course if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.